Haibo, not Cyan Boujee exposing Useemah after her interview on the Venting podcast with Gogoskotheni. Ugirl came gun blazing, leaving no receipt. One thing about Cyan Boujee, she will expose you. Before we get into it, Useemah went to Venting podcast with Gogoskotheni, and Gogoskotheni asked a lot of questions about her relationship with Ghosthlubi and also her fallout with Cyan Boujee. One of the major questions Gogoskotheni asked Useemah was if she really smashed Cyan's brother. Seemah denied it, and she said she never did. That was all a lie, and Cyan Boujee lied about her. Kodwa Cyan's brother shared her. I haven't watched the whole interview, but if you're willing to watch the interview, you can go check it out on Gogoskotheni's channel. This is what Cyan Boujee posted on her Insta stories. Cyan decided to expose Useemah by posting screenshots of her conversation with Useemah. My girls keep me updated, and I love that for me. Anyways, apparently, Seemah says I have lied about her, and I'm someone no one can ever stand, Sana. Where is the respect and the boundaries when I know so much bathong? Chomi. So this is what Useemah said to Cyan Boujee. If I sneak out now, I'll come back home at around 3 a.m. Let me wait for Kanya to sleep, then I'll come. Please give me a code. Yo, kushibile guys. So this is what Cyan said. She has been sneaking when my brother is around Wagiti, and worse, living on my own bed. Yo. I advise anyone I've had fallouts with to just be honest when they ask you questions about me. Anger, don't portray me as a bad person. I am a very good person. Our friendship ended because she was obsessed with my brother, getting angry whenever my brother would wanna flirt with other people around her. Simple. Besides helping her with pranks, so y'all don't see her as a joke, I've been washing my blankets because of her batung. Not only that, Cyan Boujee decided to choose violence over violence over violence. Word of the day is Oskan must, and if you want to, drop location. Meaning that if she wants to fight, she must drop her location. Anyways, there you have it, guys. Please do leave your comments in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more, and I'll see you on my next one.